Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing 10th standard mathematics assignment number 66 on the topic of similar triangles. Here the first question. Area of two similar triangles are 100 cm square and 64 cm square. If the median of bigger triangle is 10 centimeters, then the median of smaller triangle is. See here children, let it be, I am taking A1 is the area of a bigger triangle, A2 is the area of smaller triangle, M1 is the median of bigger triangle, M2 is median of smaller triangle. See here, what is saying, if two triangles are similar means, what is the formula, what is the relation between area and corresponding sides? Area by area is equals to side by side whole square. Right, here also area of bigger triangle by area of smaller triangle is equals to median of bigger triangle square minus by median of bigger triangle smaller triangle square. That is the area by area is equals to side by side whole square. So let it be. See here, A1 is given how much? 100 by A2 is given 64 is equals to M1 by M2 whole square. Send it square to left hand side, that is a root over 100 by 64 is equals to M1 is given. M1 is how much? 10 by M2. So which is equals to square 100 root over 100 is 10 by root over 64 is 8. So 10 get cancelled. Median of 2 is equals to 8 centimeters. Median 2 is equals to 8 centimeters. So option D. Option D. Now in Heron's formula, area of triangle, which is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is the meant by s? What is the meaning of s on that formula? See, s is a semi-perimeter. It means half of the perimeter. Half of the perimeter. Option C. Option C. Now the next one. Now coming to the next problem. Third one. Explain why the triangles are similar and find the value of x. Here some diagram is given. See the diagram. P, Q, R, L, T, X. See here if you observe that these two are right angle triangle. In triangle PQR, right angle at R. In triangle LTS, right angle at S. Right angle at S. And also he is given angle at Q, which is equals to angle at T. Angle at Q is equals to angle at T. So from triangles P, Q, R and triangle L, T, S. Here if you observe that angle Q is equals to angle T is already given, and angle R is equals to angle S, which is 90 degrees. and automatically at angle P is equals to angle L. It means angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Here the corresponding angles are equal. If two triangles have corresponding angles are equal, those two are similar. Therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTS. Here we need to calculate our x value. See here, QP is 5 and QR is 3 and LT is x and TS is 4.5. 4.5. Right. So these two triangles are similar. Which criterion? By AAA similarity. AAA similarity. Right. So therefore these two are similar. So QR by TS, QR by TS is equals to QP by LT. So QR is 4.5 by TS. TS is QR is 3. QR is 3 by TS is 4.5 is equals to QP. QP is 5 by LT is x. Therefore, x is equals to x is equals to 5 into 4.5 by 3. 3 ones are 3 1.5 are. Therefore, x is equals to 5 into 1.5. How much? 7.5. So x value is 7.5. X value is 7.5. Now coming to the next one. Now coming to the fourth one. In triangle PQR, MN is parallel to QR and MN is given. MN is equals to 5 and QR is equals to 15. Pn is equals to 4 and NR is equals to x. Then find the value of x and find the value of x. Here the triangle PQR. So MN is parallel to QR, then MN is 5 and QR is 15 and PN is 4 and NR is equals to x. We need to find out the NR value. See, from triangles, so from triangle PMN and triangle PQR. First consider a smaller triangle PMN and PQR. Here if you observe that angle P is equals to angle P, this is common and angle M is equals to angle Q. Why? Because MN is parallel to QR. These two angles are equal. Automatically these two angles also equal. This is the common angle. So therefore a triangle PMN is similar to triangle PQR. Which criterion? By AA similarity. By AA similarity, right? So by AA similarity, Mn by, so corresponding sides are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion. Mn by Qr is equals to Pn by Pr. Mn is 5 by Qr is 15 is equals to Pn is 4 by Pr. Pr means a 4 plus x. 4 plus x. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So 1 by 3 is equals to 4 by 4 plus x. Do cross multiplication. 4 plus x is equals to 4 into 3. So 4 plus x is equals to 12 and x is equals to 12 minus 4. How much? 8. 8 centimeters or 8. There is no units, right? So 8. So x is equals to 8. Now coming to the next problem. Coming to the next one. Fifth one, AX and dy are altitudes of two similar triangles. Two similar triangles. So terminal triangles A, B, C and triangle D, E, F. Prove that AX by dy is equals to AB by DE. AX by dy is equals to AB by DE. So children, here take a two triangles, triangle ABC. So this is a triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Right, here AX and dy are altitudes of these two triangles. Altitude means which is perpendicular to AX is perpendicular to BC and dy is perpendicular to EF. Right. So what is given? AX is perpendicular to BC and dy is perpendicular to EF. Right. What is we need to prove? We need to prove is AX by dy. AX by dy is equals to AB by DE. This is what we need to prove. So he is already given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF is already given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So from triangle first I am considering a triangle ABX and triangle DEY. See here, angle B is equals to angle E is already given. Why? These two triangles are similar, right? ABC is similar to DEF means their corresponding angles are equal. So that is why it is already given. and also angle AXB is equals to angle DYE, which is a 90 degrees, for A similarity, these two triangles, it means triangle ABX and triangle DEY are similar. Therefore, a triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY. By A similarity, we are taking by A similarity. So if two triangles are similar, means their corresponding sides are in proportion. That is, AB by DE is equals to BX by EY is equals to AX by DY. It means AX by DY is equals to AB by AX by DY is equals to AB by DE. Hence proved. This is what he is asking, right? So thank you students.